Ahsan Manzil is a palace located in the Kumartholi area of Dhaka, Bangladesh. It was formerly the residence and seat of the Nawab of Dhaka and has been designated an Old Dhaka Heritage Site. The palace, Ahsan Manzil in Dhaka, Bangladesh, was named after Nawab Abdul Ghani's son, Khaja Ahsanullah. Ahsan Manzil is an attractive tourist spot in Dhaka. It is one of the most meaningful architectural heritage of Bangladesh. In 1985, the government of Bangladesh acquired the palace and established a museum there. Ahsan Manzil Museum is a palace which relates to the Nawabs of Dhaka, and as such it reflects the memories of the Nawabs. Thank you for watching the video.